In India, rapid urbanization is changing the very landscape of human settlement and pushing the existing infrastructure towards the breaking point. By 2025, nearly 500 million Indians will need new urban homes. To resolve the dire situation, social innovation through collaborative creation is critical for new value creation to enhance living standards. Leveraging Hitachi's global expertise in innovative solutions, Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery Company Private Limited's highly advanced manufacturing facility in Kharagpur is producing global standard hydraulic excavators, backhoe loaders, wheel loaders, dump trucks, motor graders and cranes.
We are producing 15 varieties of products. In excavators we produce from 5 ton to 47 ton. So there are 6 different models that are being produced. And in wheeled we produce wheeled machines, 10 ton and 12 ton wheeled machines. We produce dump trucks, which is 35 ton and 100 ton dump trucks. We produce compactors, soil compactors and vibratory compactors. And we produce motor graders, which is used for road making.
These high-performance and fuel-efficient machines provide reliable solutions to enhance the operational performance of its customers, thus ensure timelines and increase their profitability in the construction and mining business. Widely engaged in various urban development projects in India, these global standard workhorses are known for their ease of operation, durability, pioneering features, low CO2 emissions and high safety standards.
As far as Kharagpur plant is concerned, we want to be the world's best plant in terms of manufacturing excavators and selling them worldwide. Along the Tata philosophy, we want to create wealth for the nation.
These attributes help achieve highest levels of productivity and meet the most stringent of parameters. Furthermore, Hitachi's unceasing innovations in product portfolio help progressively meet industry's evolving demands and consistently collaborate in their clients' growth through social innovation to build a better, robust urban India.